Hello everyone and welcome back to MediInsights. Today we explain Basiliximab Injection, a targeted immunosuppressant used to prevent acute kidney allograft rejection. You will learn when it's used, how it works, standard dosing, common side effects, and practical safety advice to help patients and caregivers make informed decisions, right after watching. Here's a quick look at what Basiliximab treats. Basiliximab is given as induction therapy to reduce the risk of acute rejection in adult and pediatric patients receiving a kidney transplant. It is not used to treat ongoing rejection, but to prevent early immune activation against the new organ. This indication and its role as an induction agent are described in official product guidance. Here's what to know about dose, timing, and administration. The usual adult regimen is 20 mg given by intravenous within 2 hours before transplantation on day 0, followed by a second 20 mg dose on day 4 after transplant. For patients under 35 kg, a 2-dose total of 20 mg is commonly used, while those above 35 kg receive the adult dosing. The dose may be given as a short intravenous infusion or bolus per local protocol. Withhold the second dose if severe hypersensitivity or graft loss occurs. Here's what happens in your body when you take Basiliximab. Basiliximab is a murine or human chimeric monoclonal antibody that binds with high affinity to the alpha chain of the high-affinity interleukin-2 receptor on activated T lymphocytes. By blocking IL-2 binding, it prevents IL-2-mediated T-cell activation and proliferation, lowering the immune response that would otherwise attack the transplanted kidney. This targeted action explains its role as an induction immunosuppressant. Remember, while many tolerate it well, side effects can occur. Common adverse effects include fever, nausea, diarrhea, headache, peripheral swelling, and changes in blood counts or chemistry. Serious but less frequent reactions may include severe hypersensitivity or anaphylaxis, infusion reactions, and an increased risk of infections. Rare reports describe more severe immune or neurologic events. Patients should be monitored closely for infection and allergic reactions after each dose. To finish, here are the most important things to remember. Always use Basiliximab only where transplant and full immunosuppressive follow-up are assured, and in combination with standard maintenance agents as directed by the transplant team. Avoid live vaccines for patients and people who recently received live vaccines may pose a risk. Inactivated vaccines may be less effective while immunosuppressed. Notify the team for any signs of infection, and discuss pregnancy, breastfeeding, and additional infection exposure precautions with the clinician. The second dose should be withheld for severe hypersensitivity or graft loss, and administration is normally done in hospital settings by trained staff. Thanks for watching. If this Basiliximab injection guide helped you, please subscribe to MediInsights and leave a comment with questions or topics you want next. Stay safe, follow medical guidance, and share this video with colleagues and caregivers right now.